what we got here. Looks like a little muskie. Or is that a walleye? I'm calling the wrong fish. Nice. That's actually the biggest walleye I've had all year. And he just spit the lure. That's a decent one. Hey. Here. Bro, what am I doing? Lift the net up. Oh yeah, we on one. What we got here? Nothing anymore. Sucker is flop-a-lopping. Fish right there. There's a fish right there. Smallmouth. Oh, come on. I'm sorry, bud. Alright, finally got a fish in hand. You can find your way back. Smallie. I knew there could be smallie in here. Okay. Nice. Oh, we got like a flat belly. Bubbles over there. There's a snag over there. Let's see, I can walk over there. It's not a problem. Oh, shit. Smallie over there too. That was weird. Gee. Don't get off the hook this time. I think this is a smallie. Okay, this wasn't the big one. Whoa. Just go. I can't hang on to fish. This is the big one. Stay on you. I think it's a muskie. Stay on. Muskie or northern. Northern. Nice. Come back. Yeah. There we go. I don't want to squeeze you too much. Okay, well. There we go again. It's a northern little guy. Get you back. That's a nice smallmouth. Man, must just be that these fish are getting fatter. So when they hit, it's like, ooh, the initial bite on them is much bigger. I mean, that's a decent one, but he's not like a big one, you know? He's heavy, though.